You check this, and you fix this, and you send me, okay?
Are you asking or telling me?
Oh, this is a powerful shift. Because now we are not just describing, we are giving instructions. And you can hear Emma. She is using correct words. Check, fix, send. But the tone feels too direct.
And this is very important because imperatives are strong. They sound like commands. And if you don't soften them, they can feel rude, even if you don't mean it.
This is where language meets behavior. Not just what you say, but how you say it.
Yeah, same sentence, but different tone, different impact.
All right, I'm Zivara, and today we fix something very practical, how to give instructions. This is day 20, and today is about imperatives. These are sentences like, check this, fix that, send it. You use them all the time, at work, at home, in daily life.
I'm Oren, and yeah, this is important because imperatives can sound strong or polite.
Let's feel these words as actions. Check. Look carefully. Check this file. Check this file. Fix. Repair or correct. Fix this problem. Fix this problem. Send. Transfer something. Send me the file. Send me the file.
Now the next ones. Bring. Take something to someone. Bring your laptop. Bring your laptop. Call. Contact someone. Call me later. Call me later. Wait. Pause. Wait here. Wait here.
These are all commands. Direct, clear, very action-focused.
Now, this is the key. Imperatives don't use a subject. You don't say, you check this. You just say, check this.
Because you is understood. But here's the important part. Imperatives sound strong.
All right, now let's step into that moment again, and this time, listen very carefully to the tone. Because imperatives are not just about action. They are about how you sound to other people.
Yeah, imagine this. You are in a work situation, maybe with a colleague, maybe with a friend. You need help. You need things done quickly, and you start giving instructions. But your tone is too direct. And even if your English is correct, it doesn't feel right. Just listen.
Check this file, and fix this problem, and send me now.
Okay, I'll look at it.
Bring your laptop here, and call him, and wait for me.
All right, but can you explain a bit more?
No, just do it. Send me fast.
Okay.
And call me later, and don't wait too long.
I understand, but your tone feels very strong.
All right, let's fix this together and focus on tone, not just structure. Emma said, check this file and fix this problem and send me now. We soften it. Please check this file, fix this problem, and send it to me.
Then, bring your laptop here, and call him, and wait for me. We make it more natural. Can you bring your laptop, call him, and wait for me?
Then, no, just do it. Send me fast. We improve the tone. Please do it and send it to me quickly.
Then, and call me later, and don't wait too long. We smooth it. Please call me later, and don't wait too long.
And this is the key. Imperatives are strong, but politeness makes them effective.
Please check this file, fix this problem, and send it to me.
Sure, I'll do that.
Can you bring your laptop? Call him and wait for me.
Of course.
Please do it. And send it to me quickly.
All right.
Please call me later. And don't wait too long.
No problem.
Now you can feel the difference. Same actions, better tone.
Yeah, Now it sounds cooperative, not commanding.
All right, your turn. Give instructions clearly. Check this file. Check this file. Fix this problem. Fix this problem. Send me the file. Send me the file. Bring your laptop. Bring your laptop. Call me later. Call me later. Wait here. Wait here.
All right, let's bring this into real life. Imagine you are working with someone and you need things done. Before, you say, check this, fix this, send this, and people feel pressure. But now you say, please check this. Can you fix this? Could you send this? And suddenly, everything changes. People respond better. They cooperate more. They feel respected.
I remember this very clearly. I once heard someone giving instructions very fast, very direct. Do this, send that, fix this. And the other person did it, but not happily. You could feel the tension.
And then I heard someone else say, hey, could you check this for me? Please? Same work, completely different energy.
And that's when I understood. Communication is not just about being clear. It's about being human.
Yeah, and that's the shift. Not just giving instructions, but building cooperation.
All right, let's take a second. Before today, your instructions sounded too direct.
Now they sound clear and polite.
Today, you can now give instructions naturally and respectfully. This is real communication.
Clear, respectful, effective.
See you in day 21.